Okay, friends, let's talk about Popular Direct. You know, those online-only banks that are gaining a lot of attention lately? Well, I've been getting a lot of questions about whether they offer debit cards, and I thought it would be helpful to do a video on it. So, does Popular Direct have a debit card? The short answer is no. Popular Direct does not offer debit cards. But before we get into the details, let's talk about why you might want a debit card in the first place. Debit cards are a convenient way to access your money. You can use them to make purchases at stores, online, and over the phone. You can also use them to withdraw cash from ATMs. Debit cards are also a safe way to pay. If your card is lost or stolen, you can report it to your bank and they will cancel it. You will not be liable for any unauthorized charges. So, if you're looking for a bank that offers a debit card, Popular Direct is not the right choice for you. However, there are still some good reasons to consider Popular Direct. First, Popular Direct offers some of the highest interest rates on savings accounts in the country. This means that you can earn more money on your savings with Popular Direct than you would with other banks. Second, Popular Direct is a very affordable bank. They don't charge any monthly fees or overdraft fees. Third, Popular Direct is a very convenient bank. You can manage your account online or through their mobile app. So, if you're looking for a bank that offers high interest rates, low fees, and convenience, Popular Direct may be a good choice for you, even though they don't offer debit cards. Of course, there are other banks that offer both debit cards and high interest rates. So, it's important to compare your options before choosing a bank. Ultimately, the best bank for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.